So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing the web agency Fortune, which is launching today, that is the 23rd of September. As you can see, the webinar begins at 23rd September 10 a.m. ET. We'll talk about this. So what is web agency Fortune? As I covered yesterday, it is a website designing software. You get 12 amazing and stunning agency websites for one at a very low price. In this price, they also give you uh, incredible website packages for agency, local, and video marketers, and it is useful for any niche that you can think of: dentists, lawyers, contractors, tree removal services, anything that you can think of. You can sell each of the websites you make, and you can immediately get profits. It is 100% WordPress based. You can edit anything, you can install and minutes and sell it right away. So you don't need to have any previous coding and experience or skills as such. It is very beginner friendly for anyone who does not know how to code. It's a stunning design, incredible attention to details, and there'll be live demo. So if you register, you'll be eligible for the full live demo and the early bird offer. So if you want to register for it now, I'll leave a link to it in the description. And if you register, do send me a screenshot of that on my Instagram, which I'll leave the link in the description again. And if once you send me the screenshot, I'll personally give you an extra bonus from my side. That will be completely from my side, free of cost. So you can sell each website immediately with stunning designs, most popular niches, 100% web WordPress based, mobile friendly, computer friendly, and optimized for maximum conversions, right? So all that will be covered in the live demo if you register. As you can see, the same thing they've written it here. You can see all the niches you can think of is can use web agency Fortune to build and sell their websites: attorneys, dentists, contractors, tree maintenance, childcare, and many more. So here are some of the images to see the live demo and how incredible each website looks like. So yesterday I talked about dentist and tree removal services. If you haven't checked out that video, you can check it out on my channel. Today I'll be showing you the lawyer and the pizza restaurant website. As you can see, this is a family lawyer. It is created by webagencyfortune.com. You can see this website looks amazing with all the animations and everything. You might think this is done by some hard advanced coder, but this is 100% WordPress based, made and designed by Web Agency Fortune. So it is really simple to create websites of that level. Similarly, if you come to a pizza restaurant, again you can see it is designed by Web Agency Fortune, but look at this website, guys. As you see, it looks like it is designed by someone who's expert in coding or web development, but no, this is designed by Web Agency Fortune, and no coding was required whatsoever. So coming back to this, you get all the upgrades and the early bird access if you register. I'll leave a link to it, as I said, in the description. The training is free, and you will be the first to see and access the revolutionary website agency package. And one more thing, the commercial right is included, so you don't have to pay anything extra to buy the commercial license. All you have to do is sign up for the full walkthrough, the early bird, and the full funnel reveal. So that workshop is on 23rd September, that is today at 10 a.m. Eastern time. It is developed by Mario Brown. And that is it about Web Agency Fortune, guys. I will leave a link to it in the description. Please check it out. Please register, and if you register, send a screenshot on my Instagram, DM me. I will leave a link to it in the description again, and I will personally give you a free bonus from my side. Thank you.